According to Acumen Research and Consulting, the Europe teeth cleaning machine market is expected to reach a value of USD 1,006.1 million by 2032, growing at a CAGR of 6.7% from 2024 to 2032. Germany currently dominates the market, contributing approximately USD 171.8 million in 2023, while the UK is projected to witness a CAGR of over 7.5% in the same period. Among various procedures, the above-the-gum line technique emerged as a key revenue driver in 2023, reflecting the increasing preference for effective and comprehensive cleaning solutions. The treatment applications subsegment also held a significant share in the European market, with rising consumer awareness around oral health and preventive care contributing to the demand. A prominent trend that is shaping the market is the growing shift toward eco-friendly dental solutions, such as water-based cleaning systems. These innovations align with Europe's broader sustainability goals, as consumers and dental professionals alike seek more environmentally conscious alternatives. The demand for more sustainable and efficient teeth cleaning technologies is expected to continue driving the growth of the market, positioning Europe as a key region in the global dental equipment industry. The Europe teeth cleaning machine market is experiencing remarkable growth, driven by increasing awareness of oral hygiene and technological advancements. With a surge in demand for innovative dental care solutions, companies are racing to develop machines that offer superior cleaning capabilities. From ultrasonic cleaners to advanced air polishing systems, these devices are transforming the way we maintain our dental health. The rise of cosmetic dentistry has also fueled this market, as more people seek professional-grade cleaning at home. Notably, the integration of smart technology allows users to track their oral health through apps, making dental care more personalized and effective. As we look ahead, sustainability is becoming a key focus, with manufacturers exploring eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs. This shift not only caters to environmentally conscious consumers, but also sets the stage for a more responsible industry. The future of teeth cleaning in Europe is not just about brighter smiles. It's about smarter, healthier choices for everyone. Please follow, share, and like the video for more exciting videos related to research. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.